welcome to my channel. I'm very excited today that I received my iPhone 11 Pro Max. This is midnight green. It's a beautiful phone and I wanted to share with you. So the phone is already started. It's 9:26 p.m. It's a September 20th. Then all the way at the bottom you will see reset. So we're going to press reset. So right under general, the one is number 2, erase all content and setting, and I'm going to press that. Once we press it, it will ask you the confirmation erase iPhone. We're going to press it, and it will ask you second time. We're going to press it, and it will start erasing. Now it will take its own time. Now it's rebooting, and it will start up. So this is the first time I'm seeing something weird. Right between the apple there was a line running through, which I never seen it before. Not sure if this is the right way or this is the way Apple wants to do it. But that's pretty surprising, right between the apple. This is what we always used to seeing the line. That was something new to me. I hope my phone is not bad. I cross my fingers. And please comment below if you are seeing that line as well. I'm really curious now. I'm kind of not curious, I'm worried too. Why the line went to the Apple logo?